Hello, this is Ayan this side. So basically today we are going to make the video to Node.js project. This is the Node.js authentication. I'm give the Nova link. This is the sign in and sign up and Google sign in sign up. Okay. So firstly I'm just clicking on the sign up. So it's taking I'm giving the name and like I'm giving the Gmail. I'm just giving the another Gmail like this and I'm giving the password is and 1 2 and then 1 2 and then clicking on the register. Okay, so then I'm pasting the Gmail ID, then I'm giving the password is 1 2 and click on the submit button. So I'm enter the home page. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the sign out. So this is the sign out. So like for example, like I'm again clicking on the submit page and I'm entering in the home, then inspect this and go to the application. So basically the cookie is create. Okay, so this cookie is create, so that's why I'm in the cookie is create, then I'm enter in the page. Then after that, like I'm clicking on the sign out, so cookie will be deleted. Okay, so like for example, like I'm just clicking on the Google sign out page, Google sign on, so the pop-up in my screen is sign in something like this. Then to continue to demo app, so I'm create the demo app. So basically I'm just clicking on the sign up page, then after it I'm login and go to the home page. So basically that's my project. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the submit page and then it is showing home and sign out. Okay, so basically this is my project. So firstly like I'm just creating the some views. For example, I'm just creating the footer. So I'm not mention any footer because in my project it is not showing any footer, it is the empty. So I'm just like deleting this. Okay, so I'm just creating the header. So what is the header? So header is just showing the link in the top of my project, like authentication home sign out something like this. So this is showing, so this is the header. And what is home? So like this is home. Okay, so and then the sign in, so this is the sign in page and this is the sign out page. So I'm including the header because I'm just clicking on the sign out and I'm clicking on the sign up page. So header is showing in the top of the screen, so that's why. Okay, so this is my view and then I'm creating the Mongoose connection in my project. So basically this is the connection of my Mongoose. So I'm just creating the another file and then writing the code in the Mongoose. Then I'm just creating the password Google. So this is my password because I'm just clicking on the sign up page and then after that pop up in my screen the Google. I'm just clicking on the Gmail ID. So this is the pop up in my screen. Okay, and this is the password local JS because I want to use the Google also, that's why I want to use this password local. Then I'm just creating the controller. So this is my header controller and this is my user controller. So in my user controller I'm just creating, this is the sign if, and I'm just using the if condition like request dot if user is authentication. So that's why it's going to the home, otherwise it's render my sign up page. So this is the my module is sign up. So I'm just using the if condition also like request dot it user is authentication. So I'm render on home page, otherwise I'm render on sign up page. In line number 19 I'm using like export dot I'm go to the home page. So I'm creating the home page also, but it is not used because it is not important. So in line number 27 I'm using like this module.expert.create. Then after that I'm just checking like if password and then confirm password it is not equals to, then after then back. For example like I'm just using the, I'm going to sign up page, then like I'm give the name and I'm give the Gmail ID different. For example this, and I'm password giving the 3 and I'm password giving the 1. So I'm clicking on this, then after it I'm ending the same page. Okay, so this is I'm creating the condition. Then after that I'm checking like user is already fine. For example I'm using name and I'm using the Gmail ID and I'm clicking on this. So this Gmail ID already registered, so that's why the already give in the same page. Then after that it's give the else part and back. So in this create session, like when the sign in, they create the session for the user, and then it is the destroy session like when I'm like For example, this is sign in page and I'm submit this, so I'm pop up this welcome to home page. Then after I clicking on the sign out, then after it I'm go through sign in page. So that's why I'm using, and I'm creating the model. This is the my like data. This is my schema of Mongoose, and this is the node module package, and this is the router. When I create, like, this is index router and this is user router. I'm using it. This is the sign in, sign up, home, create session, sign in. Or this is the Google host, and after that module.export.router, and this is the index. So this, it is a very important because I'm express cookies, something like this, and all the required this app.use session, because when I clicking like when I log in, so this is stored in my mongoose, like when I clicking on the mongoose. So this is the connection of my mongoose. Okay, so that's why I'm using, and this is my server. So server will what is the port number? So port number is uh, where is my port? It is 1000. So my I'm run the terminal and data will be connected, and then server is running in the port is 1000. So when I clicking on this, so that's my project. So thank you so much. I hope you understand very well. Thank you so much.